So today we're going to take a look at SharePoint Framework Packages, SPPKG, and how to reduce the features that are in those. So let's assume for a moment that someone gave you a SharePoint Framework Package, SPPKG, and you wanted to reduce how many features were in it. So here we have an SPPKG file for the Fantastic 40. These are the SharePoint Framework samples. We'll go ahead and extract that. And looking inside, we see a whole litany of different files and folders. Here we have 39 folders with GUID numbers. We have a series of XML and XML config files, and these contain information about the features themselves, including the description, and if it's hidden, the scope, and a GUID number. We also have the title of the feature. So this tells you a little bit more about what the feature does and what it's intended to be used for. But maybe you don't want to deploy all 40. Maybe you only want to deploy 5 or 10 that are more relevant and not clutter the menu with all 40 or create excess surface area that makes support issues for the help desk. So here we're given a package, SPPKG, that has 39 different web parts and features. Okay, well we might want to go ahead and reduce that down. So I've created a PowerShell script to help perform that work. Over here we can look at the PowerShell script. We have a little header. We have a parameter for the input package. And then we're using the system IO compression namespace for zip and unzip functions. From there we display the features to the user, allow them to input GUID numbers, and then do some various removals. We'll remove the folder. We'll remove the XML config. We'll remove the feature XML. And then the rels folder has its own copy of feature XML, and there is a rels manifest. This one's a little bit tricky because we actually have to remove XML nodes from the XML document, save to overwrite the XML document, and finally run the zip method to compress everything again. The main function kind of shows the high-level steps of unzip, display the features, select which ones to keep, remove the excess features, create a new zip file, and echo back status. Let's go ahead and give it a run and see what we have. So we'll go ahead and type in reduce SPPKG with a package, and we're going to provide the full path to the package file. Okay, there we go. Reduce SPPKG, package name, there's our input file. We'll go ahead and run that, and it echoes back all of the different features that were found in that package, 39 in total. Let's say that we want to do the QR code. We'll highlight it, press enter to copy, right click to paste, and hit enter. From here we could do another one, like vertical timeline, left mouse to highlight, press enter to copy, right click to paste. So what we're doing is we're reading input of the GUID numbers for which ones we want to keep. And maybe we'll do the image puzzle as well. Left mouse to highlight, enter to copy, right click to paste. And if we hit enter on a blank line, that will finalize our collection and say we're keeping 3 feature ID numbers. It's going to go through the package, do some removals, and create a new package file. That's our log. No errors occurred. It actually looks perfectly clean. So over here we can see a new SPPKG with the timestamp that matches our log file. And if we were to rename that to .zip and go ahead and extract, we'll navigate inside, and here we see 3 different features and 3 subfolders, and that matches the selection that we made on the command line. Those are the 3 that we wanted to keep. So this is a really interesting way of, echoing what's inside of an SPPKG, sort of, expanding the contents of a SharePoint Framework package, but then also providing the GUID numbers you want to keep as a way of reducing the package to something more streamlined. So if you receive something like the Fantastic 40 and you don't want to support all 40 for your help desk, this gives you a method to kind of narrow down just the ones that you know are helpful to your end users and create a smaller package to deploy. That covers it, and thanks for watching.